first morning in Havana, and we woke up about half an hour ago, and now we're going for breakfast before our morning walking tour.
We're enjoying our breakfast here. We have some fruits, bread, marmalade, juice, coffee, and a great view of Malecon.
What are we enjoying now, Farah?
They brought us scrambled eggs. So everything is delicious, the fruits are amazing.
What juice this is?
I didn't even try it, to be honest.
Try. Let us know. What is it?
That's a good question. I don't know. Is it grapefruit? No.
No, it's too sweet for that.
Then what is it?
Papaya. I don't know.
Ah, yeah, could be.
I think so.
You're right.
Okay.
Bueno, un placer, Alfredo. Voy a trabajar. Después en la casa me cuenta cómo le fue el día.
Gracias.
¿Cómo te llamas? Juan. ¿Y? Ara. Bueno, que tengan buen día. ¿Ya fueron ya al Museo de la Revolución? Museo de la Revolución.
No.
¿Y a las cooperativas no hay?
Vamos a ir a...
No, yo no. La cooperativa ahorita cierran charuto, ¿no? ¿Te gusta el charuto?
So, what did just happen?
Two interactions, two guys just randomly pretending that they know us, they want to know where we're going, what we're interested in doing, trying to selling, of course, the cigars that you can buy, go for the bars, and yeah, trying to get familiar with you, to try to sell you, but very nice people, all in Spanish. Jara doesn't understand anything, but they think we both speak Spanish, which is great.
I'm just nodding.
And just nodding. And I'm just saying gracias, and hasta luego, basically.
Well, to be honest, she can build stronger connections because once she says like she's from Portugal, everybody will go, Ronaldo. So
Yeah,
then I'm not saying anything.
the football. Let's see, it will be an interesting few days here. We're trying not to give out too many details because we don't know how
Yeah,
they're
but
gonna
that
use
was a bit scary though, because like we heard the first guy we met, he stopped us on Malecon,
Yeah.
like a few meters further down,
Yeah.
and this guy was like 5 minutes later.
Yeah.
He came, approached us, and he knew where we were from and where we were staying, and that we talked with his friend.
Yeah.
Okay, news travel very fast here, I guess.
Let's start here.
There's a turn. We are besides Capitolio and
Parque de Fraternidad, or Fraternity Park.
and we're waiting for the people to get gathered in order to start the free walking tour.
But yeah, so far we haven't met anyone, so we're a bit checking things out.
She's worried, I'm
Yeah.
not. I think everything's gonna be fine because we already seen another tour starting like 10 minutes ago, so I think it's gonna be fine.
Let's see. Here behind behind us is the Chinatown, which doesn't have, according to our guide, any Chinese. And if we find one, we have to pay him 10,000. He will pay us 10,000 euros. And behind that, there's a big tower, and that was the only Cuban telecommunications company that was created, and it was based there. And over there on the right side we have the Capitolio, which is a copy of the American original, but it's about 1.4 meters taller than the one in Washington, according to our guide. And yeah, it's went through a few remodelations, and the latest one is on the top. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it has a really nice golden top there that was a present of their friend Vladimir Putin, as our guide put it. Yeah, so it's an interesting story.
At this point, our guide stopped in front of a Cuban shop and explained to us how the supermarket system works in Cuba. Of course, everything is owned by the state. Locals have two options. Option 1, shops where you get with Cuban pesos some products, if available. You can spend 8 hours or more queuing and don't get anything in the end. Option 2, MLC stores are called, where you can only use foreign currency to buy things. These stores have products that other shops don't. Our guide said, for example, he could only find cake for his daughter's birthday in this type of shop. But how do you get foreign currency in the first place? Either you have family outside Cuba that sends you money, or you are lucky to work with tourists on a regular basis to get euros, or, as many locals do, they buy products in the black market. That's why the exchange rate has changed from $1 to 24 pesos in 2021 to $1 to 140 pesos in 2022. We continued our tour walking down Obispo Street, one of the most popular and busy streets in Old Havana. It's full of life, shops, cafes, and bars. Here you can buy souvenirs, try the local street food like pizza, and maybe grab a drink. We ended our tour at Plaza Vieja, and our guide recommended us a few places to eat and drink. One of them was Mojito Mojito bar, where he said we could drink the best mojito in town, so we wanted to give it a try. After walking for 3 hours, all we wanted was a nice and fresh drink. When we sat at the bar, Nestor suggested us to try the famous Mega Mojito, served with an inverted beer. It was delicious. In the meantime, we got hungry, so we decided to go for the seafood platter for 2 people.
Not mussels. I don't know how you say it in English. It's something similar. And I think this is lobster. It's like a seafood platter for two. Very nice. Okay. What are we doing, Hannah?
We're trying to eat the lobster. You said that you don't know how to eat it, and I will teach you now because I'm an expert. It's the first time I'm doing this. I mean, like I'm always like having lobster, but usually the bigger ones, right? I'm just kidding. It's very juicy, the meat. Very juicy. Oh yeah. It's very tasty, but do also this before. It's gonna be even tastier. Should try it.
After the delicious meal, we made sure to try as many rounds as we could, and then we left with a full belly in a cheerful mood. Our stroll was interrupted by a friendly guy who supposedly only wanted to practice his English with us. He took us to a local grocery market to see where Cubans buy fruits, vegetables, meat, and other things. We were impressed with how friendly and okay everyone was with taking pictures of them. Then, out of the blue, we ran into a filming scene.
Cine, filmación.
Okay.
Permiso, partner, gracias. Here is food, the food ration car, understand? For eat.
The prices.
Understand?
Yep. Understand. Yeah.
Free life.
Yeah.
Supu. Buenas.
Hola, ¿qué viven por ahí?
Hola.
Ya. Toca guaya, ¿no? Tocar prisma.
Sí.
Tocar prisma.
Exactly.
Tocar prisma. Tocar prisma. Tocar prisma.
Gracias. Efharisto.
Gracias.
Efharisto.
Faristo.
Efharisto.
Efharisto. En griego.
Sí. En portugués.
Gracias.
Obrigado.
Obrigado. En francés, merci. En inglés, thank you. ¿Y en Grecia?
Efharisto.
Efarisko. Ya tú sabes.
Muy diferente.
Más problema.